What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Finn the Human from the Multiversus. Let's get started at the top center of our page and draw an oval for the head. We'll start right in the middle, the very top. We're gonna work our way around towards the bottom of our oval. And go all the way around the right side and then back up towards the top. Now along the top we're gonna draw two small ovals for the eyes and just fill those in black. And then over on the left side, draw the brow, going out and then up. On the right side, go across and up, and then we'll fold up the brow. Let's move down in the center and draw in the mouth. We'll start with a curve that comes down and then up. Let's round out the ends, pull these back in, and then we'll round out the bottom of the mouth, going back up towards the right. Let's add two small teeth on the left side, with two half circles, and leave a gap, draw one more tooth over on the right, and then along the bottom we'll draw the tongue, going up and then down, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth going around the teeth and the tongue. Now from here we're going to move up and draw on the top of the head. We'll start over on the left. I'm just going to bend this up and then bring that back down. Let's add in the ears. On the left side, we'll step in, curve up towards the top of the ear, round this out, and then just bring that down towards the shoulder. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Stepping in, go up, round out the ear, come all the way down, and then in. Let's overlap the backpack on top of the body. Starting down here, bend this in, and then go back out. From the top, we're going to step down, draw the outside of the strap, going across, and then out. From the top, just going to bend the arm, coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then we'll wrap the thumb around the handle of the sword, going up and down, round up the thumb, pull that up, and draw in the palm. Let's add three fingers around the handle, starting from the side of the thumb and draw a half oval, going out and in. From the bottom, do that again, going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Now let's draw the bottom edge of the hilt, starting from the outside, curve this down towards the hand, bend that up, flatten off the ends, and we'll draw that same curve along the top. In the center of the hilt, let's step up, draw a straight line going across, and then from the middle, draw a straight line going all the way up and out toward the tip of the sword. Let's angle the sword, coming down and out on both sides. Now I'm going to work our way down along the outside edge. Down at an angle, draw two notches, coming in and out, draw that again. Now we're just going to make our way down towards the bottom left. Come down, now let's add one more notch. Let's go back up to the top and draw the inside of the blade. Again, coming down, just aiming towards that bottom point. Let's add that notch. Bring this all the way down. I'm going to add one smaller notch along the bottom and bring that down. Let's go back to the top corners of the hilt. Just going to bend this up and in behind the blade. Let's draw the bottom of the handle. Just underneath the bottom finger, draw a circle. Draw a smaller circle in the center. Now if you have a gap along the top, I'm just going to close this off. Let's go back to the inside, curve the arm coming in, just bend that up towards the top, and then along the top we'll add a curve for the sleeve. Now with the arm in place, we're going to finish off that strap. Bring this down and then out and behind the arm. It's going to go to the top, bend this out, and I just want to bend this back in towards the side of the head. Let's add a seam across the backpack. Down and in behind the arm. continue along the inside. Now let's go back and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the right, bend the body coming in, and then out towards the hip, round up the hip, and pull that back in. Let's go underneath the backpack on the left side, come down, and then bend that in. Let's add a seam across the bottom of the head with a curve, coming down and up. And then from the hip, we'll step up, drawing that same curve. Let's draw the strap along the back side of the body. Starting up here, bend this out, and then in, and then we'll add that seam going across. Now we're going to extend the arm coming out from that strap. Start up here, bend the arm coming down, and then that up towards the top. Let's add in the first finger, step up, come around, up, and then out. Now I stack 2 more fingers, going around and out, and do that one more time. Now let's draw the thumb pointing up. Bend this up and out, round up the thumb, and pull that in towards the hand. Just going to work our way around the outside of the arm, and just taper this in behind the strap. Let's add the sleeve with the curve. And now we're going to go down and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the bottom. Go to the right side, bend this out. I'm just going to bend this back in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the ankle, coming down and up on both sides. Now you want to taper the legs so it gets narrower as you come back up towards the body. And then close off the bottom with a slight curve. Now I'm going to add a seam across the top of the shorts, bending this up and down. And then we'll wrap a thick cuff around the ankle. From the outside we'll step up, draw an oval going all the way around, and then back in behind. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Come down, and then bend that up. Now we're going to go back to the side and round out the top of the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. And then we'll close off the outside of the foot, coming down and out. Now I'm going to go back with a thin, ultra fine point marker and add some hash lines across the sword. Now let's grab our skin tone and fill in the inside of the head. Using that same color across the hands. Grab our light green and fill in the top of the backpack. And with our darker green, we'll fill in the bottom. Now with our light blue, we'll fill in the top of the body, starting with the sleeves. And then with our darker blue, we'll fill in the pants. And I'm using ultra light gray to add some shadows across the white areas. And then to finish off our drawing, we'll always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Finn from the Multiversus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.